Morning, Splash. Welcome to the farm. Well, hello there, Splash. Ready to meet all my animal friends? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Hi, Clara. Say hello to everyone, everyone. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo.
Thanks, Clara. Now let's go see who's swimming in the pond. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack.
Quincy's coming too. Let's all go see Percy the Pig together.
And on his farm he had a pig,
E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Haha, this is actually really fun!
oink oink, Percy. All clean now. Let's go say good morning to Rooster Red. And on his farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there.
Look! Rooster Red's baby chicks are peeking out to see what's going on.
Careful there, little one. Let me help you find your balance.
Now let's sing about all our farm friends together. E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O.
What a wonderful day on the farm! Thank you for having me, Farmer Joe. Bye, Clara. Bye, Quincy. Bye, Percy. Bye, Rooster Red. See you next time.
Subscribe to Bloop Town for a new adventure every week. See you next time, friends.